Amidst the vibrant chaos of the school playground, Daniel's courage shines as he confronts a bully. Sunlight casts a golden glow on Daniel, highlighting his resolve to defend the vulnerable. On-screen text proclaims, "Courage starts small." In the sun-drenched park, Daniel kneels, his heart moved by the elderly woman's plight. With a gentle smile, Daniel gathers the fallen groceries, a beacon of hope in the everyday. Kindness is strength. Daniel stands at the doorway, the dim light casting long shadows that dance around.
In this very video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to create a consistent character with AI, guy. Okay, let's take a look at this channel. The name of this channel is called Kata Limbo, guys. Kata Limbo. On this if you sorry guys, if you check this YouTube channel, you will see that this channel is getting millions of views just by uploading a short reel, guys. A short reel, they are uploading millions of views, guys. In this very video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to copy this channel and like copy this channel to create a viral YouTube video, guys, and start earning on YouTube. And one thing, guys, you can see this channel in just 24 hours. This video that you're watching right now got over 10,000 view, guys, like over 20,000 view in just 24 hours. So in this very video, I'm going to be guiding step by step process on how you can get to create a video like that. Okay, just to prove that this channel is earning big on YouTube, you can see the yearly estimated earning is around $186,000 to $1.5 million. That is a lot. That is a lot. What you just need to do is to put in the work. Just put in the work. Make sure you follow this video step by step if you are really unwilling to make money on YouTube just by uploading animation video, guys. Just by uploading animation video, just like the one you watched recently, guys. So, and also I'm going to be giving you a free AI tool that you can use to generate this video, guys. A free AI tool that you can use to generate video. Okay, so this video is just based in three simple steps, guys. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT, and you can also use DeepSeek or any of the AI that you can use to generate a prompt for your video, guys. Okay, this is what I have to give ChatGPT. I tell ChatGPT to write me a prompt in English for an artificial intelligence site that can make a video for you. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to be putting the prompt in the video description, guys. I'm going to be putting the prompt in the video description. You can just go to the video description to copy the prompt right now and make use of it right there. Okay, so we are going to be making use of motion, guys. Motion website. Like the name of the site is called Motion. You can say this web on this website you can turn text, like you can turn prompt into a video right there. So okay, and if you don't want to make use of motion, we can make use of magiclight.ai. Magiclight.ai, this is another awesome website that we can use to create a realistic animation video, that will go viral, guys. Just follow the step. It's very simple, and it's so just make sure you log in, and if you log in you'll be given 300 credit, guys. 300 credits per each video we generated. We are going to be spending 50 credit, guys, that you can see. Okay, so what once we click on create button, we just need to choose some aspect ratio. It should be 4 by 3, and you can also choose by you can also choose 9 by 16, which is portrait. Choose your character style. I want it to be in 3D. Language should be English, and that is all. You can also choose any character style you want, guy. Okay, so this is where the real work is. So we need to paste in the scripts we generated from ChatGPT. It's very important to paste in the scripts you generated from ChatGPT. All right there. Okay, so once we paste the script right down, we just need to make some adjustments because there are some tests that we don't need in this, and we just need to make the adjustment. After we are done making the adjustment, we just need to click on next right there. That's how simple it is. Just click on next and put in the video should be 1 minute. Okay, video is 1 minute. Oh, okay. If you want to generate above 1 minute, that means we need to upgrade right there. We can say the scene is 3, and you can also add scene right there. You can also add a scene if you want. Okay, this is the most important part because this is the place we are going to be choosing our character. Okay, our character Daniel, you can see I want Daniel to look like this. Confirm. Okay, so I want the bully to look like this. Very good, very good. And you can also choose another character if you want. Like for that's how simple it is, right? Okay, so I just need to click on confirm right there. Okay, you just need to click on confirm. You can say hold on a moment. We just need to wait for it to load up right there. Okay, so once we are done with that, we need to choose another character to which is the woman part, and that's how simple it is. Just follow the step. It's very simple and easy. Okay, you can see it's creating the storyboard right now. Like the storyboard is being created, like it's creating the storyboard right now. So we just need to wait for a few minutes to okay, and let's wait for a few minutes. And guys, you have not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button right now so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, so this is loading right now, and let's wait for it right there. Okay, it's loading, 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 loading. Okay, let's wait, let's wait, let us wait, let's wait. Okay, it's generating our video right now. This like it take like minimum it's just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see our video has been generated right now, and you can see our character has been generated, and we can also animate each scene right there. We can also animate each scene. You can see a play that say animate all, and we don't have enough credit to animate that, and if you want to animate it one by one, you can just go and upgrade. And this website actually worth it. It's worth it. You can use it for free, and you can also use it you can also make use of the paid version too. You can see this is loading right now. After we are done checking the scene, do the editing and so, and we are done with everything, we can just click on publish. After we click on publish, they will bring a button that we can use to download it. From there we can upload it on our social media like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and start getting view. Consistency is the key. Just keep with it. Make sure you stay consistent, and you're gonna win. Thank you very much for watching.